Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn interrogative words in German. So we have here in German and English. First word is wo. Wo means where. Second word is was. Was means what. And third one warum means why. Where, who, and we, how, and wann, when. So let us use first of all was. Was means what. So first question is was ist as? What is it? As means it. Was ist das? What is that? Was ist dein Name? What is your name? And was ist los? What is happening? What is the matter? So for your help, I have given here some words. First word is war. War means true. Was ist wahr? What is true? False. False means wrong. Richtig, right. Wichtig, important. And Glück, luck. Was ist Glück? So you can make sentences with the help of these words. Make sentences with articles. First sentence is was ist der Zusammenhang? The connection. What is the connection? Was ist das Problem? What is the problem? Was ist das Mindestalter? What is the minimum age? Mindestalter means minimum age. And was ist die Gesamtsumme? Total number. In plural, we can make sentences. Was sind die Schwierigkeiten? Schwierigkeiten means difficulties. Was sind die Vorteile? Advantages. What are the advantages? Was sind die Anforderungen? Requirements. Anforderungen means requirements. With possessive adjectives, was ist dein Beruf? What is your profession? Was ist dein Wunsch? What is your wish? Was ist deine Religion? What is your religion? Was ist deine Lieblingsfarbe? What is your favorite color? And was sind deine Ziele? Ziele means goals, your aim. And here is a word for you, angesten, opinions. Was sind deine angesten? Now we have here second, wo. Wo means where. First question is, wo ist es? Where is it? Wo ist das? Where is that? And wo bist du? Where are you? Wo sind Tina und Mina? Where are Tina and Mina? With articles, wo ist der Flughafen? Where is the airport? Wo ist das Restaurant? Where is the restaurant? And wo ist die Bushaltestelle? Bus stop. There are some words here with there. There means masculine. Pass. Pass means passport. Geldautomat, ATM. Geld means money. And Ausgang. Ausgang means exit. Marktplatz, market. Neuter noun. Thus. Badezimmer, bathroom. Badezimmer, bathroom. Einkaufszentrum, shopping mall. And feminine noun, Wohnung. Wohnung means apartment. Speisekarte. Speisekarte means menu. And Station, station. In plural, wo sind die Frauen? Where are the women? Wo sind die Hochschulen? Where are the universities? And wo sind die Zeitungen? Where are the newspapers? With possessives, wo ist dein Zimmer? Where is your room? Wo ist dein Handy? Where is your phone? Büro, office. Gepäck means luggage. Wo ist ihre Freundin? Where is your friend? Meine Jeans, my jeans. Eure Schule, your school. And wo sind meine Sachen, my things? Where are my things? Some words here. Meine Schlüssel, keys, and meine Eltern, my parents. Next word here is where. Where means who. Where bist du? Who are you? Wer ist das? Who is that? And wer ist müde? Who is tired? Wer ist dein Lieblingsschauspieler? Lieblingsschauspieler means favorite actor. Who is your favorite actor? Wer sind Tina und Mina? Who are Tina and Mina? Next word is here warum. Warum bist du hier? Why are you here? Warum ist zu Hause? Why is he at home? At home we can say zu Hause. Zu Hause. Warum ist es unmöglich? Why is it impossible? Unmöglich means impossible. Next one is here we. We means how, or sometimes it is used for what also. Wie ist deine Qualifikation? Wie ist deine Qualifikation? What is your qualification? Wie alt sind Sie? How old are you? Formal. And wie ist es möglich? How is it possible? Next one is here wann. Wann means when. Wann ist es? When is it? Wann ist der Urlaub? Wann is the vacation? Wann ist der Flug? Wann is the flight? And we can make sentences with the help of these. The party, party. The Hochzeit, the wedding. Das Examen, the exams. And das Concert, the concert. And in plural, wann sind die Ferien? When are the holidays? So that is all for this video. So we'll learn something new in the next video. So till then, shush.